Are you a developer looking to turbocharge your coding experience, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey? I've got the ultimate list of game-changing VS Code extensions that will make your life easier and your projects smarter. Stick around, your IDE will never be the same. Today, I'm sharing my top VS Code extensions that every developer needs to know about, tools that boost productivity, simplify debugging, and even make coding a bit more fun. Let's dive right in. 1. Prettier, code for mid-end. Tired of messy, unorganized code? Prettier is a must-have. It automatically formats your code to keep it clean and consistent, no matter the language. Just save your file, and voila, it's like magic for your code. 2. Gatlands. Gatlands is like having a time machine in your editor. It lets you see who changed a line of code, when and why. Perfect for team projects or hunting down bugs. 3. Live Server. Front-end developers, this one's for you. Live Server launches a local development server with live reload for your web projects. Make changes in your code and see them reflected instantly in your browser. 4. Copilot Run Tap 9. AI-powered coding is here. GitHub Copilot helps you write entire blocks of code with just a few prompts. It's like pair programming with an AI genius. So, there you have it, my list of must-have VS Code extensions. Which one are you most excited to try? Or maybe you already have a favorite that I didn't mention. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tips and tricks. Happy coding!